it doesn't have enough activator. Sometimes all it really needs is just kneading, because then you don't want to over activate it either. Like right now it's sticky, it feels stringy, so I know there's activator in there. I don't even want to mix it right now. This is so cute. Styrofoam beads, no matter if you mix them, it don't matter. Like they rise within a few hours and they settle on top. So cute. Oh my gosh. And the crunch is like, I'm obsessed. Like this is so cute. Eggs in there. I mean, they're kind of big, but they just look so cute. Kind of hard to like mix into because there's so many eggs. But if you were to make like a bigger batch and just have them on top, so cute. Ooh. Spongy, and crunchy. It's so weird. There's so many bubbles. It's like the fuzzy stuff in the pom-poms like traps air, and it just like makes all these bubbles. These pops are so cool. Or you know what it also looks like? It kind of looks like Easter bark. This is or like I don't know, like some kind of like Easter like marshmallow thing. I don't know, but this is, oh my gosh, so glittery. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. Do you guys see that shimmer? This is so cute. I might just add more glitter. So cute. Do you see this? It's so pretty and vibrant and just, oh my gosh, I love the squishy feeling. It looks so nice when they come to the top. I just live for Easter colors, you know, like pastels are just so gorgeous. This is gonna rise so beautifully. So cute. Alright, this one I am so excited about. It's like that little curl effect, if that makes any sense. Oh, this looks really pretty. Ooh. This slime is so soft. I love it. Oh. I can't stop. I don't know. And it's a little bit stiff. I feel like I might have left it in there a little too long. Ooh, we're gonna go with some lotion. It's getting softer. It's basically like a very thick butter slime, and the more lotion you add, the softer it gets. It feels exactly like a butter slime, except a little thicker. So next up, we're going to use the peel off face mask. Alright, so this is the 3 that I did with the toothpaste. I really want to try the face mask alone to see what kind of slime it makes. But this was with a face mask, and it was the fluffy type. I feel like it's deflating a little bit, but I feel like it definitely came out really good. It almost has like a jiggliness to it. And then this is the one that I put a lot of lotion in. It's basically just microwaved toothpaste, some food coloring, and then this one, oh, it's kind of like melting a little bit. I really just want to try the face mask by itself because I've never done it. I want to try it by itself with some cotton solution and baking soda, so let's do it. Okay, so this one we're just going to use this. I've known to make glue. This is crazy. If they sold face mask in bulk, I would literally buy this. Oh my gosh. This one, I'm not like obsessed with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna add foam to it. I feel like adding a lot of this because it's a really sticky slime. legit actually play with this now. Oh my god. So